Undeclared work matters because it's really about what kind of society you want to have. Undeclared work as such means tax evasion, and then hence it means that you don't get the funding for the welfare state. But also you have an individual perspective in this, and that is how the workers are affected by undeclared work.
Of course, it takes lots of different forms. Sometimes it's an employer paying you cash in hand and not paying your social security contributions, not taking care of your health and safety, and certainly hardly ever paying you sick pay.
Companies who are not declared is fighting the competition in an unfair way because they don't pay taxes, etc. And therefore, of course, they can produce to a lower cost than companies who are declared.
There are many challenges at the EU level when we think about undeclared work. Number one is the great variance or difference of legal systems. Number two is that there are many different levels and varieties of undeclared work. And number three, much more need of cooperation between the different countries.
So we have in all member states problems related to undeclared work, and it's obvious that the solutions are there on European level. We should also keep in mind that undeclared work and a lot of related issues have a cross-border dimension.
In the past 30 years experience that I have, I've seen that there has been coming a migration for cross-border occupation, and that's much more difficult to see that there are irregulations because we are depending from the feedback from the organizations in the other member states.
In Finland, we feel that this platform work is very crucial and very ambitious and comprehensive. And we have taken part very actively in these various activities. And the main focus is learning from other countries' experience.
There are lots of examples of good practice already occurring in other member states throughout Europe, which they can use to tackle common issues facing all of them.
We can see a lot of progress being made within the platform that we from Sweden can use in our national work in collaboration between authorities, reaching out to the employers and to the workers directly.
What the Undeclared Work Platform did very well in its first year of work was in preparing success stories, but that's not enough. In the coming year we have to get a lot more real, a lot more active, and to begin to come up with ways to tackle undeclared work cross borders.
O que deve acontecer e o que deveria acontecer e o que é necessário acontecer é que, para todos, trabalhadores, empregadores, sociedade em civil, parceiros sociais, todos devem estar em sintonia, ou seja, todos devem ter presente e consciente e interiorizado de que não é possível não declarar trabalho. O trabalho declarado deve ser natural, tão natural como comer, beber, fazermos a nossa vida normal.
I see a platform that has reached a kind of interesting cruising speed. I see a lot of events, I see a website which is functioning, I see a lot of operational tools linked to the platform. So colleagues who are in charge of the platform, be ready to maintain this performance, obviously, but be ready to do more as well. And you can count on us, Brussels, and our experts to assist you in that process.